Okay, if you haven't decided yet what topic you want to use for your unit, for your instructional design plan, and especially to get going on your unit outline, because you don't have a lot of time, it's a good idea to quickly pick a topic, and I have a suggestion for one way that you might want to do that. One of the resources that's available for finding lesson planning materials, let's go to the links section, and we're looking for Thinkfinity, which is near the top here. When you go to Thinkfinity, of course you can search by keyword, but this is a good way to sort of shortcut the process. If you go to the state standards section and of course find the Texas TEKS standards, and let's say you're planning on developing a unit for 10th graders, and of course you have a choice of subjects. There's arts education, health and physical education, language arts, math, science, social studies, and world languages. Let's just focus on social studies and say that we're looking for history lessons, American history. So we're going to do a search on the 10th grade social studies and see what comes up for history. Alright, here's the resources for 10th grade social studies, and it starts out with United States history. Again, these are the Texas TEKS, and it has the standards. The categories are the bluish lettering, and then the black lettering are the specific standards. And as you look through the standards on the right side, you see it says view 42 results. So looking at your standards, pick something that you think you might want to consider developing a unit around. For example, this one says explain the significance of the following years as turning points, and then it has a bunch of the important years in which these turning points occurred, and there's a lot of results for this, so this might be a good category just to look around in to see if there's something interesting you want to do. So clicking on the view results, you can see the resource types are indicated here with the grade range, grades 5 to 12. This is labeled as an artifact. You can see up here it's a poster, another artifact. Here's a HTML source. This one just says resource. You might want to look through and see if there's any lesson plans that look interesting. The first one that comes up here, here's another one, America in Hard Times. And then of course you can continue searching through until you find something that catches your attention. This is just an example of one way that you might want to look through this resource and see if you can find something that looks like it might be interesting. Like here's one that says American Diplomacy in World War II. It's a 9 to 12 grade lesson. Clicking on the title takes you to the resource itself, and you can read through. There's an overview on this one that tells you about what's going on with this particular lesson. Anyway, that's one way of sort of shortcutting the process of picking a topic that you might want to use for your unit outline and for your instructional design plan. Okay?